Welcome to British Jailers, directed by Elizabeth, Emily, and Savannah. Starring Elizabeth, Emily, and Savannah. Enjoy your show and your crumpets.
How long have we been in this bloody jail?
I don't freaking know.
We have to escape.
There ain't gonna be no escape on my watch.
Ugh, we have been in here forever.
We should escape.
Why are we smiling?
Just come on.
Okay.
Oh, that was in England.
Later, that's mine.
Ready?
There aren't any windows. Ugh. Hang on. Just need to get out of this compound. You never let me down. Aha! Now, just take this off. And bloody God, forgot how to lock it.
Oh, indeed I did.
Oh, yes you did. Oh.
Oh,